In primetime news this evening, 5 healthcare workers among the latest to test positive for COVID-19. Coming home, state outlines plans for Jamaicans overseas to return home, but no timeline given. And investigation underway into power outage that left several parishes in darkness on Monday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, we have the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how has the COVID-19 crisis changed your food consumption patterns?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.